Right, let me know guys in the comment section. Are we live? I think I am live. Hello guys. We're going to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. We're taking a look at Bitcoin, and also we're taking a look at the total crypto market capitalization, because we did break out from this inverse head and shoulder, guys. Now I'm going to go through the comment section straight away. Let me know if I am live. Right. Hello, a lot of people already in the comment section, guys. We've got some really cool stuff today. I want to talk about also an NFT project. All right. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. Right. Okay. Hello. Hi, Andy XRP, please, says undefined gravity. How are you doing? Hello, Andy, my crypto legend. Ambuch, how are you? Good day. How are you, Ricky? Analysis for XTZ, please, says Ricky. Yes, for sure. All right, I've got XRP already. XTZ. Set, please, says this Russian guy, I think. John, yeah, we can hear you. Nothing special, just a potato. Please check Rune and 1 inch. Okay, a lot of cryptos now already. I haven't even gone through the 5 first comments. Entry for Ethereum, please. We'll take a look at that. Now, guys, this is the total crypto market cap. Remember, yesterday we talked about this inverse head and shoulder. We had a really nice breakout. So a correction was likely. Okay, it doesn't matter. We are just correcting right now. We could come a little bit lower, even just losing quite, a few billion in the total crypto market cap. We're going to see a correction on a lot of the altcoins and also on Bitcoin. Was this it? Are we going to go lower? Well, this is the total crypto market cap. As soon as we start correcting from here, it is time to be full bull mode right here at this resistance. Okay, that should be turning into support. It should be turning. It doesn't mean that we are going to hold it 100% for sure. We could break down below this major support. Then things won't be looking very good in the immediate short term. But overall, the percentage, of possibilities of it holding as support and continue to the upside is very, very high. So I'm going to take a look at these cryptos right away, okay, guys? Now, I do see something here on the chart. This is on the 4 hourly, but if you go to the daily even, it's even better, all right? There is a possibility that we are creating an inverse head and shoulder right over here on the Bitcoin price. Yeah, maybe let's go to the 4 hourly. So we can zoom in, right? This could be easily the left shoulder right over there, retesting the resistance. All of this over here can be the head, retesting it right over there. Now we might see a little bit of correction here, maybe going to the 60K levels. Can we go down to these levels to form the right shoulder? Yes, very, very possible, guys. So watch out for this pattern. We have seen it already on some other altcoins. We're going to go through AVAX. We're going to go through some many altcoins, but let's go through the comment section. Most importantly, this is the BTC dominance. As you know, I am expecting the Bitcoin dominance in the next coming months having that potential fall to the downside, all right, which is going to bring us to the end of the bull run, the end of the massive alt season. Now, right, okay, let me go through the comment section. Let's go. Hello, Bitcoin Bull, long time no see. Mark Dutch, how are you doing? Hey, Andy, we are here, says the infogram. How are you doing, guys? Make sure to smash up the like button on your way in. And what do you expect for BTC and DOT? How low we can drop? Well, I think we can drop easily for BTC, that 60K. It could happen. Okay, I am still in my long positions, all right? I have a bunch of long positions here on Ethereum, AVAX, BTC. I'm planning to add to my position. These are swing trades. I'm thinking to having them, open the entire month of November, because overall the sentiment is looking very, very bullish, okay? Total crypto market cap, as I said, I do see us getting a massive bounce around this range. This range is the $2.65 trillion, currently trading at $2.69 trillion. So I do expect a kind of a bounce here in the coming days, all right, and mooning from here. Now, Andrew, hello. Rabanth, hello. Jose, Joel, hello. What's happening, says AC. Hello, guys. Hello. Right, let's start taking a look at some cryptocurrencies right over here. Pat Turner, thank you very much for the $2 with no questions. I think you wanted to ask a question. Let me know in the comment section. No request, just keep up the good work. Thank you very much. Right, VRA please, says Jose. Vet please, says Jose Miguel. C98 says Mohammed. Right, SNX please, says Roy. Cup and handle BTC. BTC cup and handle. We'll take a look at that. But right, let's go through all of these different crypto. Let's start with XRP. Okay, I've got them in order. I'm going to do pretty quick analysis. Okay, guys. So then we got a chance to take a look at some other cryptos from the different people. Now, same thing here. If you're an old subscriber, nothing has changed on XRP. We did have a little bit of a pump. Okay, yesterday or today, it was today, wasn't it? Today, this morning, a little bit of pumpy action. Overall, like we mentioned, we got a target here for XRP, which is the top of this descending wedge. We do know that the $1.05 is a super strong resistance that has turned into a very strong support right over here. We did dip below, consolidated here at resistance before we broke up. A little bit of volatility at this range, and now we're starting to pump. Very likely XRP will be hitting that $2.30, $2.35 in the next few days, guys. We do not have a specific time. We do know that the direction looks very bullish here for XRP. Okay, overall here looking pretty good. So yeah, basically we got one target here, the $2.30.35. As soon as we reach this target, now if we do break this range, it's going to be looking very bullish, but we'll get to that analysis as soon as we hit that $2.35. All right, on XRP, looking pretty good. Like I mentioned, you know, volatility, be careful. These wicks are to get those massive leverage, all right? But as I said, the $1.05 should be holding very nicely. We're going to see volatility. I say this all the time, but the overall direction should be to the upside. Be careful with volatility here, dipping below the $1.05. Now let's take a look at different cryptos. Right, XTZ, is this Tezos, right? XTZ. I think these are one of the charts that I do not like to analyze. Now on Tezos, not looking too good because we did break here from this support level. We did kind of create I wouldn't say it's an ascending broadening wedge, but this is a major level here for Tezos. It's not looking too good, guys, because we have broken out from these higher lows. All right. I say if we do manage to bounce here nicely from this last lower high right over here, because technically we're still creating higher lows, higher low over there, and we might create a kind of a double bottom over here. Now we do need to get back in above this trend line, then it'll be looking pretty bullish, or to come and aim this major resistance on Tezos. Right, Tezos is one of those charts that I do not like very much to analyze. Very volatile, very choppy. It looks like we did form a harmonic pattern right over there. Pretty nice one right there. And then dip below. But I still need to get that harmonic pattern out, guys. I am working on a video for the community on harmonic patterns. This is what we got for Tezos. It is possible for Tezos that we are going to go to lower levels. Okay, we've lost here the support. We might come here to lower levels. Not very much, I think. Yeah, probably not too low. We should be bouncing pretty soon here for Tezos. Right, let's take a look at some other cryptos. ZEC, please. Right, let's take a look at ZEC. Right, hang on a second. For some reason, the volume's disappeared here. Right, guys, let's do ZEC straight away. I haven't done analysis never on this crypto, so let me just zoom out on the daily. This one's looking pretty good to start a pretty impressive bull run if we do manage to successfully break out from this resistance, sorry. So we do have that massive resistance that we are wicking above it. This is on the daily chart, so would I say this is an inverse head and shoulder or a double bottom, triple bottom maybe? Overall, it is looking very bullish. As soon as we break this resistance, there's going to be a pretty parabolic move, in my opinion, on this cryptocurrency. When you retest, okay, this resistance every single time, the more times you retest it, the more chances there is on breaking it, right? So as you can see, we have this low over here, this low over here, this higher low right over here, retesting consistently here, the $175, all right, here on ZEC. Now, yeah, this is very much looks like it's going to explode from here. This is what happens when you have a parabolic run, you have a massive crash, consolidate, and then you are ready for more price action to the upside. So we're just retesting this resistance here several times. As you can see, this is 175. As soon as we break 175, now, if you see this as a potential double bottom with the second higher bottom right there, okay, you do have a projected move on this kind of pattern. Also from the low to the resistance, you do have a projected move, which would take us all the way up here above the $250 on ZEC. Okay, so as soon as ZEC breaks above this range, closes a nice daily candle above this $175 range, then it's going to be looking pretty good. Okay, so as soon as we have a nice green candle here with volume, then this is going to be looking very good for ZEC. Okay, now let's take a look at some other cryptos. XRP, I've taken a look. XRP looking pretty good. Compound pumped, Andy, please have a look, says Death Killer. Right, let's take a look at Compound straight away. Let's take a look at Comp. Right. Compound, what's going on with Comp? Yeah, Comp, as I said, on it must have been the other stream or something, it does look like it wants to have a little bit of pumpy action. I see us climbing easily to the $450 range, currently trading at 383. And the reason why, one of the reasons is this descending wedge, this consolidation that we had right over here. We didn't have an explosive breakout, but we're going sideways, and now we should be coming all the way here to this range, which is a major resistance zone. This is the $450. Another reason is that we have this low over here and this higher low consolidation. Okay, when you do have this kind of consolidation here bouncing on this major higher low, then it's very likely we're going to get a nice run up here to the upside. I think we are going to stop though at 450 because there has been a lot of support and a lot of resistance at this range. So yeah, there's very likely we are going to have a stop right over here, but overall looking very bullish in the immediate short term. We did talk about this yesterday, and I think it must have been yesterday or before yesterday, where we were talking about this, very likely holding as support and having a little bit of pumpy action. What do you right, just going through the comment section, guys, quickly. GRT please, says Ali. Yeah, for sure, I've just taken a look at ZEC already. Theta, my man. All right, let's take a look at I'm just going through. Let's take a look at Theta and also GRT. Right, GRT first. Let's go with GRT, US dollar. The graph, very bullish on the graph for the mid-long term. Now, looking at the graph, we didn't successfully break out from this range. Very volatile. I do not like this crypto too very much for technical analysis. Overall, we are having right, just let me zoom in on here. We did have the descending wedge target here met very nicely. The top of the wedge even wicking above. But this is on the daily chart. On the daily chart, it seems like we need to close a daily above this range over here. This is the $1.10. We are just wicking above this range. No daily closers. Okay, touching there, touching here, another touch there. If we do manage to close a nice daily candle above this range, we'll be retesting this next major resistance on the graph, which is, okay, so the distance, if we do close a daily candle right over here, as you can see, we'll be getting very nicely supported if we close that daily candle, if we do have a retracement at this range. And we should be getting a pretty nice leg up here to this major support that will be turning into resistance, which is the $1.30. Okay, $1.30 is going to be very strong resistance here on the graph against the US dollar. But overall, like I mentioned, on a lot of the cryptos, when you have a massive pump like this, a massive correction like this, and then you're starting to create higher lows, consolidating sideways, this is a clear accumulation event. Watch out with the volatility, because even though the graph here, we could break this support area, which we are currently breaking from this uptrend, not holding very, very nicely. We could come all the way down here and retest the support area from these higher lows, okay? It could come all the way down to the 70-cent range, 75-cent range, and still be looking very, very bullish. If we do come to here, this will be a very, very good buy zone. Stop loss well behind this higher low, okay, because it's very, very unlikely we are going to come below this higher low over here. That will be a great buying opportunity to continue to the upside here on the graph. Should be holding very nicely this uptrend, this support level to the upside. Now, let's take a look at Theta. Sandbox. Shiba Inu is crashing. That is, let's take a look at Shiba, guys. Just a quick overview. Let me just take a look at Shiba. Shiba Inu crashing. I mean, the pump from Shiba has been absolutely insane the last few weeks. It's having it did break out from this uptrend like we were talking about. I do have this. I mean, this is the importance of an uptrend from higher lows. As you can see, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. As soon as we broke it, came down, came back up again, resistance. Now it's been heavy resistance. How low can Shiba Inu go? We do not know. Anyway, I'm staying away from this crypto. It might have a decent future, but for the moment, staying away from it. Right, Theta. Let's take a look at Theta. Theta US dollar here straight away. Yeah, Theta had a little bit of dumpy action today, but nothing to be worried about. Nothing to be worried about, in my opinion. Overall, looking very, very bullish in the next coming weeks, guys. We might see a little bit of volatility. Theta could come all the way down to the $6 range again, guys. We could come down to that range, consolidate, and then start pumping again. We want a nice steady growth with its dips. Okay, this is super, super healthy. Like I said, we have these lower lows, okay, creating this descending wedge. So there was a clear downtrend right over there. As soon as you start breaking the resistance and going sideways, like what happens right over there, we are changing the trend. The overall trend here is starting to be to the upside. As you can see, we're starting to print higher lows. We started to go above this lower high right over there, higher highs. We're starting to print higher highs here on the 4 hourly, as you can see. So the overall trend is changing. We are going to start seeing some type of parabolic pumps in the next coming weeks. We do not know when, if it's going to be this week, next week, December. We do not know, because when you start a trend, like you just start a trend to the downside from this range, okay, starting to create lower highs right over there, lower highs, you start to create this lower low from this point. Then you start seeing some kind of parabolic moves to the downside, right? So dips in this case. So this is what we can expect to happen in the immediate short term. It might take a couple of weeks. We're starting to change the trend. So we are looking for something like this coming, maybe, I don't know if it's going to be this week. I don't know if we're going to dip and then it's going to be next week, but there will be some kind of price action, because we are changing the trend, like this dip over here, but pumping, okay, getting ready to retest the all-time high. It will happen at some point, guys. We are changing the trend. It's just a matter of time. So Worst case scenario on Theta. I am long on Theta, and I did enter quite late, around about the $7 range, but I'm planning to add to my position heavily if we do. I entered around about this level just in case we were going to start becoming parabolic in the next few days, but I'm also ready to buy the dip here if we do come down to these ranges, all right, to that $5.70 range. It could happen. It could happen. I'm ready to go pretty aggressive if this happens, because I am expecting a major bounce from this range, because we are forming this new uptrend. So that's what I got for Theta here quickly. Let me just scroll down here in the comment section, and let's take a look at Chainlink. Also, check out Mana, says AV9. Okay, let's take a look at Mana also. Quicker look at Chainlink. Sorry guys, I want to go quicker than this, but yeah, Chainlink just struggling. This is getting ready, guys. It is getting ready to start going parabolic. We just don't know when, guys. We just don't know when. I do see price action, similar price action to this coming in the next few weeks. All right, we are going to start seeing that kind of price action, those kind of dips, and that kind of price action to the upside. Very, very likely. The best buying opportunity here for Chainlink would be that $26, $27 range. I'm not sure if we are going to come that low, but we should be holding very, very nicely this uptrend on Chainlink. Buying pressure is there, creating higher lows. Yeah, best buying opportunity here for Chainlink would be that $26, $27 range. Okay, 28, currently trading at 30.90. Very, very possible we could have an opportunity right there from these higher lows. Support level, consolidate, bit of volatility before we continue up, guys. So let's take a look at LRC. Okay, I'll take a look at LRC. What else here? Mana also. Going to take a look at Mana and LRC. Right. I want to take a look at something also here, guys, because there is something super exciting coming for the end of November. If you're not familiar, if you don't own any NFTs, there is going to be one coming out, okay? And this is Crypto Bull Society NFT, okay? Check it out, guys. They are going to launch. I know that they've got incredible designers. They've also got a lot of marketing coming for this project. A lot of famous influencers are going to be talking about this NFT. It's going to launch somewhere around the end of November, okay, if everything's fine. If you want to join, okay, the list, okay, and also the Discord group, it is down below in the description. Make sure to join the Discord group, okay? I'll put it in the comment section actually right now, okay? I'll put it in the comment section, join the Discord, okay? And yeah, guys, join the Discord group because it's going to be absolutely insane. Hang on a second, guys. Let me just get the link, get it ready. Right, guys, it's in the description right now, okay? If you want to join, in the description. If you want to join, okay, make sure to check it out. The Discord is down below. Also the Twitter for the announcement coming out. The designs on it is absolutely insane. There's going to be a huge marketing going on for this NFT project. I'm definitely going to get 2 of them or 3 if I can. There's going to be 7,777, all right? All the information will be in the Discord, okay? They are going to be doing the announcements and tell you what is going on with this NFT project. 7,777. I am going to try and get at least 2. We do not know the minting price yet, but the marketing on this is going to be absolutely insane, and the design is crazy on it. Okay, so make sure to check it out, guys. The Discord and the Twitter is down below so you can join. All right, let me just put the Twitter, okay, or the Discord down. I'll put it in the comment section, right? Put it in the comment section so you can join. Right, now join the Discord, okay, for this NFT. The marketing is going to be insane. They are going to launch it by the end of November, potentially. I am going to plan to get a couple of them because the marketing on this NFT is going to be crazy. Crypto Society NFT Bulls, guys. Check it out. Right, let me go through the comment section here quickly. I'm just going to take a look at Mana. Mana, please. Andy says, James, yes, for sure. Let's take a look at Mana. Let's take a look at Mana, see what's going on. Well, this is what we got for Mana, okay? In my opinion, there might be another buying opportunity. Let me just... Volume is insane here from the FOMO, as you can see. We are having a classic retracement. Can this retracement go lower? Maybe not, guys. Maybe not. From the low, we're getting the Fibonacci from the lowest point here when before we started pumping, which was at the 74 cents. From the low to the high here to almost $5. I know in other exchanges it did reach above $5, but not on Binance. We have retraced to the 50% levels, a little bit lower. Now we could come down to the $2.34. I did mention this on one of my live streams. This could be a kind of an ABC correction. So if we do see a little bit of blood action here on Mana, I think the $2.30 range is going to be an extremely good buying opportunity. This is exactly the 62% level from the massive pump that Mana had, okay, in late October. ABC correction, guys. If we do have another dip here, it's going to be a great buying opportunity. Wait for the price to have a massive consolidation. I don't think we're going to have a massive bounce from this range, but I mean, it's classic, guys. Classic 62% levels, Fibonacci retracement, the volume here to the upside. You can check any exchange. This is calculated by TradingView. It doesn't matter. Check out Coinbase. Check out any other exchange. The volume here to the upside is crazy. The volume here on the correction, nothing got to do with the volume to the upside. So if you take a look at the total crypto market cap, we might be recovering from here. I'm not sure if we are going to come and hit the 2.65, 2.64, which would be this massive resistance turning into support. This is the total crypto market cap, okay? Just a nice, healthy, small baby correction, guys. I'm surprised we're not coming slightly lower. I wouldn't be surprised if we see today BTC coming down to 61 or even 60k levels, okay, consolidating and then continue to the upside by tomorrow, okay. If that does happen, watch out for these cryptos. I mean, you could scale in some positions here. Everything's pointing out that, you know, that above the 230 range here for Mana is going to be a very, very strong consolidating support range. The 62% level Fibonacci. Now, there is a possibility that we're not going to come down to these levels. We're just going to consolidate from here and start pumping in the next coming days. So it's all on you, guys. Remember, Mana can be traded on Bybit right now. They did add it not long ago. They've got a huge amount of altcoins. You get down below, you got the best bonus available on Bybit. It's $3,500 worth of bonus. You can trade all of these cryptos, guys. Yeah, down below, link down in the description. $3,500 worth of bonus. I get a tiny commission. You get the best deal. It is a win-win, guys. So AVAX, extremely bullish on AVAX. I'm super bullish. We need to take a look at AVAX because it is looking for an explosive movement, guys. But anyway, let's take a look at some other cryptocurrencies. Let's hit 1K in this stream. I hope so. I hope so. We can hit 1,000 likes, guys. Let's just go here. All right. Bitcoinsensus. Let's do it all together, guys. Scroll down in the comment section. Not the comment section, guys. Sorry. Let's just smash up the like button here for the stream. I'm not getting too much views lately. Not too much likes. So not good, guys. Videos are not going out there. I'm not feeling like I want to do more videos if I'm not gonna get support. So make sure to smash up that like button, guys, and I'll be, you know, every single day here with videos, live streams, connecting with the community. Mark Dutch, MKR USDT. Let's take a look at that one, guys. If I haven't checked out your crypto, okay, in the comment section, just keep adding it. I will, if I can, I will see it. I will see it at some point. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at MKR here for Mark Dutch. MKR. Wow. What is this one? What is this one? What is this one? What is this one? Phew. This one's looking insanely bullish. Is this one MKR? Does ring a bell? Is it one of those DeFi ones? Those OGs, MKR. Yes, MakerDAO. Wow, it's having an insane movement to the upside. MakerDAO, wow, it's looking great. Now we are going to get hit by a huge resistance. Expect a pretty big correction as soon as we hit the 3,000, almost the $4,000. Okay. MKR looking very, very bullish. Wow. I was surprised this one didn't start pumping earlier. Look at that consolidation that we had right there. Wow, that was an insane buying opportunity. When you consolidate like this, you want to start, you know, buying. It is very, very clear that this range is the bottom when you consolidate like this. Very bullish on this one. I think we might hit this major resistance at $4,000 very soon. Get a massive hit there. Maybe a retrace. I know it's going to be heavy resistance. $4,000. We got this attempt. We might break through it straight away, but if we do break above that range, very, very bullish on this. You know, this is a double bottom actually, or a triple one, because we got a bottom right there, this one right here, this one right there. Projected move is pretty obvious from a breakout here. This could go pretty parabolic as soon as we break 4,000, hitting that $6,000 in the next coming weeks. That would be the projected move from this kind of price action, this accumulation event. Boom, we have an explosive breakout here to the 6,000 if we break 4,000 and not get heavily rejected. Looking very, very bullish. MakerDAO. ADA starts pumping. Right, let's take a look. ADA, SNX. We are starting to see, you know, I'm not sure if this correction is this gonna be it for the correction? I don't know. Let's take a look at SNX. I do hold a tiny weeny bag of SNX. Starting to make a move. Okay. I think we're going to start seeing DeFi having a move. We just go through here my portfolio. And yeah, I've got 1.95, 2% of my portfolio is SNX. I remember buying SNX around about the $4 range. $4 range, I think. I was pretty late. This one was trading, you know, in the cents back in 2019. 50, 60 cents. I did not get in there. I got in at about $4. But looking very, very good. Now, similar scenario here to MakerDAO. I think we are going to get heavily resistance by this range. As you can see, SNX was bouncing to that $15 here very, very nicely. Bounce, bounce, bounce. A little bit of volatility. Bounce again there. Broke down this range. Heavy resistance. It's going to act as heavy resistance, but I do see us pumping there in the next coming weeks. Price action here in the immediate short term looking pretty good. These higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. It looks like we do want to come and tackle this major resistance. Now, I think we might see a little bit of consolidation or rejection at this range, but any consolidation here I think is going to be a great buying zone, because this is just going to be getting ready to explode out of this resistance. So if we do see this price action, guys, remember all consolidation is insanely bullish with this sentiment. We do have this chart. We just need to take a look at the total crypto market cap, guys. This chart is incredibly bullish. No signs of stopping anytime soon. We've got a projected move here from this pattern, 3.6 trillion coming for the total crypto market cap. So any altcoins that are looking like consolidation, like MakerDAO right there, we did not, I mean, I didn't, long time since I haven't analyzed this, but when you see these lows over here, you see this consolidation, you want to try it and, you know, be very, very bullish on that movement. So same on SNX, on synthetics. I see a very, very similar movement coming here on SNX. Oh, we did do some analysis on an SNX here. So basically, yeah, we saw this descending wedge on SNX. We broke out of it, got a little bit of volatility. We just about hit the high here from this descending wedge right there. So we broke out, bounced down, back up again, just about to touch the wedge. I think we'll be breaking it very, very nicely and continuing to the upside. Everything's pointing here on SNX that we are going to hit that $15 range where there's going to be a massive resistance. Yeah, around about this range. A lot of volatility here around that $15. Okay, let's quickly take a look at the comment section. Enough of SNX. Smash those likes. Longer streams. What say Andy? Yes. Yeah, exactly. Longer streams, definitely coming. I'm going to do a 4-hourly live stream, and I might do it tomorrow, guys. 4-hourly live stream, and I'm going to try and take a look at a lot of the cryptos. EGLD, USDT. Hey, Andy, can you take a look at VRA, please? Okay, Opium is amazing. Right, Opium is the derivatives, isn't it? I think it's another derivatives. Another derivatives. We do not have any data here on Opium. Just, well, this chart doesn't look good, doesn't it? Opium governance token. I think it's not this one. I think it's not this one. But if you are talking about this one, Opium, this one's also a derivatives crypto. It's not looking good, but it might do very, very well in the future. We can see the massive pump that it had in February. Also a little bit of, went all the way to $20, currently trading at $2. So it's almost a 10x away from its all-time high. You know, these are the ones that you want to pay attention. I did hear something about Opium Network. Team looks pretty good. The roadmap looks great. I'm not going to do analysis, but this is one of those cryptos. It's 17 million market capitalization. These are the ones you probably want to be a little bit, put some tiny percent of your portfolio, because these ones can 10, 20x easily. I've taken a look here. Ecosystem partners looking pretty good, supported by one block. Galaxy Digital supports this project. Looks pretty decent, this open network, and with a 17 million market cap, it's worth putting something. Maybe I might allocate something on this crypto. It's on Gate.io, Hotbit, SushiSwap. I remember taking a look at this one. I didn't get in the end. I did not get in on this one. Saito USDT. I have actually got some Saito at about 2.6 cents, 2.5 cents or so. Saito looking very, very good. I really like this project. Web3 layer 2 for Ethereum. Super bullish on this one. I don't think we don't have any data here on Saito. Sorry, on TradingView. So no look on Saito. EGLD. Let's take a look at EGLD. See what's going on. Okay, right. EGLD in a massive uptrend right now. Going to the 4-hourly, we did create this symmetrical triangle. I think we should be hitting the target from this. It's much higher from where we are. We're going to see EGLD, I think, breaking here the highs easily. We've retested it once already. we should be breaking it with no problem. Okay, so we got a technical target here, which is all the way to the $370 range from this symmetrical triangle. Now, obviously, sometimes you go there straight away. Sometimes you just break out, go sideways, retest, go sideways, and then, you know, price action sometimes is different. We are seeing a lot of volatility on EGLD. Massive pump and dump here on the 4 hourly. Healthy uptrend, very healthy uptrend right there. Higher lows consistently, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. We just touched this higher low there. Very bullish on this one. This looks like it's going to pop very soon. I'm thinking here, do we have an ascending triangle? Maybe we also maybe have an ascending triangle here on EGLD. Okay, let's get this pattern out of the way here, just so we potentially got another pattern there. An ascending triangle looking very bullish. We've retested all-time high here at $300. Just at $300 there and there. Okay, so we're retesting. We've got support. This one's looking for a breakout before, you know, before the 15th of November. It's just going to consolidate here in the next coming days. I'm looking for a breakout here at the resistance. The reason why we're looking for a breakout at the resistance is because this is a bullish pattern. You know, buying pressure every single time. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Resistance. We're going to touch resistance again. Very likely it's going to just smash out from here. And we do have a projected move on this also. So overall, bullish patterns behind bullish, you know, on top of bullish patterns. Yeah, $400, above $400 EGLD price for the next coming weeks. Okay, there's something we're going to pay attention. I'm going to leave this chart like this straight away. Most requested altcoins, ADA, VeChain, and Doge, says Mark Dutch. Okay, let's take a look at them. All right, guys, I'm going to do ADA. I'm going to do, ADA, VeChain, and Doge. Let's take a look at ADA straight away. And okay, ADA is getting a little bit of resistance from the support here from this symmetrical triangle. So if we zoom in, let's take a look here. It seems like we are getting a little bit of resistance there. And as you can see here from this, we might have a dip here actually we might have a dip here on ADA. I'm just zooming out here to check out what's going on. You know, on ADA, overall, everything's looking very bullish. I'm not sure if you checked out our Twitter account, but we did post here on ADA. We see a very bullish fractal, okay, which is these lows right over here. Very similar price action on ADA, okay. It seems like ADA likes to move this way, creating lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. You kind of start going sideways here. Start going sideways, as you can see, sideways right over there, and then it's just gonna pop, guys. In the coming weeks, we are gonna pop here to the upside. So get ready on ADA. Maybe not too much leverage, stop losses, swing trades, 3x, 4x maybe. This is looking for a pop, guys. Same scenario what happened here in the summer. As you can see, same scenario right over there. Ready to have a pop here to the upside. Okay. Now, what would be the worst case scenario here on ADA? What if we do have a bit more of a correction? If we take a look at the total crypto market cap, you know, we could still come and lose a few billion, okay? Quite a few $1 billion on the total crypto, coming back down here to the 2.65, 2.64, and retest this range. If we do come down to here, maybe ADA is going to have one last correction, in my opinion, to the $1.70, $1.80. Okay, so Yeah, this is what I got for ADA. Looking very bullish after all, guys. We are looking for this kind of price action to happen. This is what happens when you consolidate like this with these slightly lower lows. There's nothing bearish about this price action here. Same, nothing bearish about this price action right over there, guys. Get ready for your ADA, because ADA is going to start popping hard in the coming weeks. We do not know when, guys. It might be a little bit more boring. So just look at this, guys. Look at this action, and we'll come back in the next coming weeks, to a live stream like the one today, saying, guys, we were screaming for this kind of price action that's going to happen here, screaming for it, just because we saw this very, very similar. This kind of movement is where you want to become bullish. Here's when everybody was extremely bearish. Bear market, the bull market has ended. What did you get a few weeks after that? You smashed the all-time highs. So this is the kind of action that we are expecting. Right, the Mighty Mustache Super Chat. Thank you very much. I'll be taking a look at Band, also Brundex. Don't worry, let me take a look at DXY. Let's take a look at the DXY. A long time since I haven't taken a look at the DXY. But I think the DXY, what is happening with the DXY is that it is gaining more power from the other currencies. Okay, it's just gaining more power from the other currencies. I see the DXY dropping in the next few years. Okay, I think it's inevitable that it is going to drop. Okay, this is on the macro, this is on the weekly, going all the way back from the 2000s. Okay, 1990 all the way back here. I do see us losing this major support in the coming years. All right, it's not going to be months from now. I think it might be years. We might see a little bit of pumpy action, but overall direction here on the DXY would be coming to lower levels. The thing now is, against the euro, against the yen, and all these different currencies, I think the dollar is gaining a little bit more strength than they are. So, but what can I say here on the DXY? Where can we go? I think overall the DXY might have a little bit of pumpy action, not much, but overall direction in the coming months, years. But by next year, we should be rolling at some point and going to the downside. Okay, might be bullish in the coming months, but I do see the DXY rolling. There's a massive diamond pattern here on the weekly. As you can see, we did have a symmetrical triangle right over there. This one popped and met the target beautifully. All right, that's the back of the symmetrical triangle from the breakout. This was almost an exact target right there. And if you take the pole here from this diamond pattern on the DXY, it could take us all the way down to the 80 levels. But it's not going to be. It's usually pretty fast. This one only took about 8 months, I think, about 7-8 months. This one over here might take about a year, 2 years to come all the way down to this range. That's what I think what will happen to the DXY in between this year and between next year and 2023. Should be coming down, rolling to these ranges. Very, very likely. Short term, I think DXY could still get a little bit of more strength in the short term. So thank you, Mighty Mustache, for the super chat. That's what I think. FTM getting ready to climb higher. Let's take a look at that one. Also, let's take a look at VeChain. Okay, I've got a lot of cryptos here. Doge, Phantom. Right, quick look at VeChain. Yeah, VeChain more. Same thing here for VeChain as like the other ones. We do have a very, very strong higher lows there. We had this massive pump, this massive correction over here going below the 62% levels from this pump. Now, what do I see on VeChain? I see VeChain hitting the 15.5 cents very, very soon, guys. If any type of correction here on VeChain is going to be an excellent buy. It's going to be an excellent buy. Maybe, I think, we got 2 bearish scenarios before we start pumping, and that one is going to the 11.5 cents right over here, which is a very, very strong support if I zoom in here on VeChain. Very, very strong support right there. Resistance here. We might have some correction to this point and should be holding very nicely this range. Now, the worst case scenario, okay, that would be the bearish scenario here in the immediate short term. Worst case scenario would be coming down to this major support from these higher lows. And that would be the ultimate buy zone, guys. We want to be bullish when the price action is bearish, right? This is when we want to anticipate. This is when we want to step in. Now it's been pretty bullish for the last few weeks. Last few weeks been pretty bullish. So yeah, expect some kind of dip, guys. We've been extremely bullish for Bitcoin, for altcoins. We might be continuing very, very bullish. But if we do have that dip, don't get scared. This is the time you want to start being aggressive on the dips. Try not to get in on the highs. Try and get in the dips because the overall trend for the coming months is going to be very, very bullish. By the looks of things, okay, by looking at the total crypto market cap, looking at the entire sentiment, everything indicates that we should be going bullish. VeChain, this is the one that we are taking a look at. MB Gmail, this is VeChain. This is VeChain, where I should be looking to hit that 15.5 cents, top of the wedge, major resistance very, very soon, very soon. Something extremely bullish on this. And I do see some cryptos also forming this. And this is a gigantic ascending triangle. Let me just go to the daily. Okay. Go to the daily. This is a gigantic ascending triangle. Why is it a gigantic one? Because we have a clear resistance here. This is at the 15.5. We got one touch there. We got this low over here. We got another touch right over here. We almost touch it right now. So there is a possibility that we might fail in breaking the 15.5 and have a correction. Now, if this correction happens, guys, time to step in heavily because this structure over here is looking insanely bullish. A massive ascending triangle since the summer, guys. And, you know, if we do start forming, well, you could arguably discuss that this is already a valid pattern because we have 2 points of touch right over here. And we've got 2 points of touch right over here with these higher lows. Now, the projected move from this on VeChain, and this might not happen anytime soon. It might happen in December, might happen in January. We've still got a lot of time here to go sideways, pump, dump inside of this this pattern over here. But the projected move here for VeChain from the breakout, depending on where we break out, if it's this month, then next month, or January, we do not know. I mean, projected move is coming all the way to retest all-time highs again. So exciting times here for VeChain, that is for sure. Exciting times. All-time highs will be imminent, in my opinion. The crash was here. Crash happened. Starting a new trend. Expect inside of this trend that suddenly we're going to see some parabolic moves. We're going to see parabolic moves here very, very soon. I do not know if it's going to be this month, next month, but it will happen, guys. Remember, total crypto market cap. Whoa, this is looking very, very nice. When you see this on a chart, wow. Expect a lot of price action to the upside. Dave G, thank you very much for the $10. Absolutely amazing. Thank you. Thanks very much for the super chat. Guys, remember, okay, there's an NFT project. If you do, you know, I haven't stepped in on NFTs. I've seen CryptoPunk, I've seen the ape ones. You know, I went through OpenSea and I just see a load of pictures. Okay, if you go through OpenSea, it just seems like everything's a scam, right? It seems like they're just putting pictures and, you know, pricing it at 0.1 Ethereum to buy. And I've just been going through here with the team of this one right over here, okay? you guys, you want to maybe, step in on this, because I've seen the team, I've seen the marketing behind this. It's going to be absolutely huge. I think they're going to launch by the end of November. You can join the Discord group, okay? And I'll link it right now. I'll link it right now here on in the comment section, okay? If you want to join the Discord, okay, for this massive crypto NFT project, the Crypto Bull Society NFT, the designs on them are absolutely insane, okay? So make sure to join the Discord group. This is coming out by the end of November, guys. Check out here, all right? They're absolutely insane. Some of the designs are insane, and I know the marketing behind this is going to be huge. You're going to see the biggest influencers talking about this, and these Crypto Bull NFTs are going to skyrocket, guys. They're coming out by the end of November, potentially, maybe beginning of December. All the news here is on the Discord group, okay? So if you join the Discord, okay, it's in the comment section right now. It's in the comment section, guys. Who knows? We do not know the minting price on this, but I do know something, guys. The team is insane. The design of them are insane also. And the marketing for this is going to be huge. We're going to have the biggest influencers behind this project. The minting price might be, 0.5 Ethereum. We do not know yet, okay, the launch of the minting, the price, okay, of it. But these could go to, you've seen CryptoPunks, right? CryptoPunks are, are worth hundreds of Ethereum, and this might come with a value of half of Ethereum. And the marketing behind this is going to be insane, guys. I'm telling you. So if you want to join you got the Twitter account down below. You got also the Discord. I'm giving you the Discord right now in the comment section, guys. If you want to join the Discord, you'll be announced, okay, when they're going to be launched. There's only going to be 7,777 of these crypto bulls. The marketing behind this, we've got the biggest influencers that are going to be behind this project, guys. So if you want one of those NFTs that can go up in value in the next coming years, okay, months maybe, this is a very good one to get in. I'm going to step on. I do not have any NFTs. This is going to be my first NFTs. I'm going to rush to get one or two of the 7,777 that are available, guys. Okay, so make sure to check out the Twitter account. It is down below, and also the Discord. This Discord is also in the comment section. I'm definitely going to get at least 2, if I can, maybe 3 of these crypto bulls, because I know that it's going to be talked about everywhere. Trust me on this one, guys. This NFT project is going to be insane. We'll be coming back to this live stream that I made on the 3rd of October after talking about these bulls NFT projects. Right, let me go through the super chat, because hey man, brand new to the channel, can you check out MATIC for a first time viewer? Wow, Daddy Coin, congratulations. Welcome to the Bitcoinsensus community. If you want to join the Telegram group, join it. Thank you very much for the super chat. Let's take a look at MATIC Network straight away for you, definitely. Right, let's take a look. Overall, this is the daily chart. This is the daily chart here for MATIC Network. Okay, we are struggling to get above the $2 range. $2 is strong resistance. Right, I'm gonna, if we do have a retracement here on MATIC, I know that the $1.70 is gonna be an insane buy. Okay, we're 30 cents away from there. Currently trading at $2, sorry. Currently trading at $2. The thing look at MATIC. MATIC has been insanely volatile. Back here in May was absolutely crazy. Check out the pump, the dump, and the pump. It was absolutely insane, the price action that happened in MATIC. Now, what is happening right now on MATIC is that we are getting supported by this range over here. all right, which is the $2. We're just about getting supported. We did break down. We did get it was pretty hard to get back above this range. Now we are getting supported nicely. We might see a very nice bounce here on MATIC. There is a possibility that we are going to bounce from the $2 range here on MATIC, okay? Very, very possible. Overall, guys, for MATIC here, it's inevitable that we are going to reach all-time highs. Just expect a lot of volatility on MATIC because MATIC loves volatility. The volatility on MATIC is insane. So it's not one of my favorite charts to take a look at because of the volatility. Overall, all-time highs is inevitable here for MATIC network. Nothing to add. If we do drop down below to $1.70, it's going to be a major buy zone. There is a possibility that we might lose this range, and if we lose it, the next range here is the $1.70. $1.70, very, very good buying opportunity because this one has been a very, very, very strong resistance. I don't like trading MATIC, okay? It's not my favorite because check out this support range that should have held nicely, and we did actually wick down below, okay? This is the thing with the volatility on MATIC. I do not like the volatility on MATIC. But anyway, if you are interested on MATIC, trading MATIC, it's on Bybit, and you know the deal. You get the best bonus down below, guys, up to $3,500 worth of bonus. You can only trade with the bonus if you wish, or depending on what you deposit, okay? Obviously, you need to deposit quite a high amount to get that $3,500 worth of bonus. You just need to follow the steps. But you know the deal. Best bonus down below here on Bybit. So overall here in the immediate short term, we might be getting a bounce here. We might be getting a bounce from the $2 and going to the $2.30, which is the next major resistance here for MATIC. There has just been a lot of volatility here above $2, coming back down, back up. We don't have too much resistance above us. Not too much resistance. We just have a lot of price action here on MATIC. Let me just zoom in on the 4 hourly. Look at the price action that happened here. Up and down, up and down, up and down. We could easily, I think that we're just going to consolidate here for a bit. And this is going to shoot up here to the all-time highs and consolidate there. Potentially have some dip corrections. So this is what I got for MATIC. Very, very volatile. It's not my favorite one. IOTX pumping. Let's take a look at IOTX. Thank you for the super chat. Daddy Coin, thank you. Let's take a look at IOTX. Wow, it is pumping pretty hard. It's done a 2x already. Well. What have we got over here? What have we got over here? We did not manage to hold the all-time high here on IOTX. We dropped below and it was resistance. As you can see, we consolidated, and I think this dip over here was the dip that happened on Bitcoin on the 7th of September. Check out IOTX. And this one's going to do very, very well. This one's going to start pumping hard. Hang on a second. On Coinbase, we have it trading at 13 cents right now, and on Binance, it is trading at. The pump hasn't happened yet on Binance, which is weird. I think this one might have a massive pump here to the all-time highs very soon on Binance. Anyway, overall here on IOTX, I remember seeing this massive pump. Okay, going from 1 cent. Okay. Right over there, 2 cents, all the way up here to 14 cents. Huge pump with huge volume. And we talked about this consolidation. We did not hold the all-time high there. We dipped below, turned into resistance, dipped again. And when you have this formation, extremely bullish on that, guys. This one will be reaching all-time highs soon. Very, very soon. If we take the low here, the lowest part from the pump, right over there, we went below the 62% Fibonacci. Okay, so this is why if you're using Fibonacci for trading, a good stop loss is behind the 78% levels. Okay, because you can dip below the 62. Okay, if that is a buying area for you, and this is usually a good buying area, stop loss behind 78% levels. The overall target is the all-time high. This is for swing trades. You might take weeks here, till you get to that range. But as soon as we break this, and on Coinbase it seems like we've broken this resistance, as soon as we break here the 8.5 cents, which we are currently just about to break, this high volume coming, all-time highs is going to be imminent for this crypto. We're breaking this high, we're breaking this resistance. This is just a consolidation from this massive pump. This is ready to come back up and retest the highs. It's inevitable at this point. Look at the volume. The volume is dead on the retracement. We can take a look at it on yeah, pumps have happened on the other exchanges, funny enough. Coinbase, US dollar Tether, yeah, which is currently trading at 13 cents. Can you check the falling wedge on COTY on the hourly? Yes, for sure. We'll take a look at that right now. Right, let's take a look at that one. Let's take a look at COTY, guys, straight away. Let's take a look at COTY. Falling wedge, falling wedge, falling wedge. We did meet the target from the... guys, you know the deal. I think that COTY will be trading at 85 cents approximately in the coming weeks. 85 cents. We do have a little bit of a dodgy cup and handle right over there, but overall we did have a strong resistance at 48 cents, and we went all the way down to the 42 cents approximately when we had that dip on BTC back on the 27th of October. Now this was, unpredictable, but that was a great buy zone, guys. I've been saying it, I've been screaming it here on the channel that the 48 cent level is a great buy zone here on COTY, because we have a massive resistance that's turning into support. We've got this descending wedge. We've already met the target. Let me just get this descending wedge out of the way because the target has been met, guys. We have this descending wedge. This is on the 4 hourly. All right, descending wedge right over there. Slightly lower lows, retesting this. You can't get any more bullish when you have this formation, especially with the pump with this volume over here and the volume going down like this. You can't get any more bullish when you're right over here. Moment to step in. Be careful with the traps. You do have these fishing points, okay? They are fishing the stop losses. This is a classic stop loss hunt right there. A lot of people thinking that this is going to hold. You have the last boom for over leveraged people, stop losses, and then you go to your target here of the descending wedge. Now that target has been met, so we can get the I'll tell you what, because this could also be a pennant. It is a little bit big. It's a bit too big for a pennant, but this is a massive pump right there. This is a pennant right there, descending wedge. We could have another projected move with this being the flag of the pole, sorry, from this flag, from this pennant, and from the breakout. Yeah, this is also taking us to that 85 cent level. Okay, expect COTY to come to that range very soon. Don't worry about any of this. All this is just noise. Okay, all of this is just noise. We need to break here again the all-time high, which is currently at 68 cents. 68 cents right over there here for COTY. There is a possibility also here. This is on the 4 hourly. We might, this is extremely bullish. Retest of a resistance. 68 cents. Round formation right over there. Expect some kind of consolidation right here. I do not think we'll be going below 48 cents here for COTY. So yeah, watch out here for a potential handle. Watch out for a handle consolidation here for COTY. Very, very possible we might be forming a handle right there. Okay, we might pump, we might dump a little bit. Watch out for this price action, guys. We'll be taking a look at this on the next live stream. Okay, I'm just going to leave the chart like this. We got two targets. We got the cup and handle target, which is this pole. We got this pole, which is from the pole of the flag breakout. Okay, I'm just going to leave this there. I see COTY trading around about that 85 cents in a matter of weeks, guys. Might be days, but I'm just going to, you know, being conservative, it might be weeks. Kran says FTM and SAND. Yes, for sure. Let's take a look at them. Okay, let's take a look at them. What is gold doing? I think gold had a massive dip, didn't it? Gold had a pretty big dip. Sorry, I just want to take a look at gold. I like to see gold and the S&P 500 sometimes. Right, FTM. Let's take a look at FTM. Oh, wow. FTM is looking great, in my opinion. It's looking great. I don't like this right over here. I don't like this kind of double top, and it's not the best looking chart, but we are starting to bottom out. Okay, this doesn't mean that we might see another wick, guys. Remember, you always have one last wick, right? You always have one last dip, so expect some kind of dodgy price action over here for a phantom, sorry, before we start a massive pump. We did mention on the channel here the $250 range should be a very good buy zone. We just hit 250 there. Even the 240, 250 range is a great buy zone. Currently trading at 262. We just dipped today, a few hours ago, at $2.52. This is the moment where you want to be a little bit bullish on Phantom, okay? This area, you might see a little bit of volatility there, but overall, the price action should be going to the upside in the coming days, maybe a week or two. We've got a very, very strong resistance that should be turning into support. If we take a look at the volume, if we do take a look at the volume, volume not too nice over here. Very strong volume here at this resistance that should be turning into support. Okay, expect a little bit of volatility around that $2.50. You might dip down below, but I will be coming very, very bullish. The price action is looking pretty good already. Price action here, this sideways price action looking pretty good already. It's all up to you. Tight stop loss maybe 230 to 220. But overall, this looks pretty good. This looks pretty good. Looking for a reversal very soon. If you want to be a little bit more patient to see if you can see, you know, another lower low, and start creating higher lows. You want to see a nice accumulation right over there, starting to form higher lows, and then you want to step in. Then you want to step in to retest the highs. Not looking too bad. It's around about a buy zone. Okay, it's in almost a buy zone. I said buy zone $2.50 range. Right. Let's take a look at VRA. We appreciate your dedication and help, Jackie Wood. Thank you very much. Polkadot is mooning. Roger that. Let's take a look at Polkadot. And VRA also, and AXS. Okay, guys, I'll try and take a look at. Andy, can I accumulate you for a YouTube interview yet? Absolutely, Bernard. We will be doing a collaboration for sure. Just let me know in the Telegram. You know, write to me in Telegram, and we'll sort that out for sure. Right. Sorry. I missed the BTC update. Was in a meeting. Recap, says Rich Wilson. Nothing too bearish here on Bitcoin. Nothing too bearish. Total crypto market cap. What is going on? If I zoom in here for the total crypto market cap, this is what we got. Remember yesterday on the live stream, we talked about this inverse head and shoulder on the total crypto market cap. We do have a projected move going all the way up here to the 2.85. Was it 2.85? Yeah, about 2.85, 2.86 trillion dollars. Okay. So there's 100 billion still to come in the next coming days with this kind of this price action on looking at the total crypto market cap with this pattern. All right. So overall, we just had that correction. We didn't even retest the resistance turning into support. Could it happen? Yes, of course, it could happen in the next coming days. So any type of retracement is going to be great buying opportunity, guys. I do see us having a massive bounce on the total crypto market cap. So any of the altcoins are going to be in sale right now. They are in sale. Could they have one more dip? Yes, they could. But if you have a swing trading platform, you can start buying in now. If you dip lower, buy a little bit more. This is a strategy that I use a lot. I haven't been using it for the last few weeks. I'm starting to use it right now for my swing trades. If you have $1,000 to trade with and you have a dip, you put 200. If you dip a little bit lower, you use another 200. Okay. In the case of BTC, if you are forming here an inverse head and shoulder right there, you got the shoulder, you got the head here, like with a double head. You might be forming the right shoulder here. Now, you got resistance to touch at 63.7 approximately range. All right, you did see a little bit of volatility right over there. This is only noise, guys. You can clearly see that this is a strong resistance. If we do break this resistance after this kind of price action that we could have, and we could go down to 61, 60, 60k levels easily, it could happen to finally form that kind of right shoulder. If you want to anticipate that we are going to have a massive pump on the dips, say for example, and I'm not telling you what to do, guys, this is just an example. If you have $1,000 to trade with, I'll put $200. I'll buy in right now. If you go dip lower, I'll add 200. If you dip lower, you add those other 200. So your entry scales down. And then when you have the pump, then you've entered on all of those positions. You will be a negative. You will get an emotional. But this is all part of trading, guys. This is a strategy. Okay, I'm not telling you to do this with Bitcoin right now. But anyway, that's the update on Bitcoin. We could see Bitcoin at 61, 60k levels. Yes, of course, it could happen. I do not see Bitcoin dropping below $59,000. I think that's very strong support is going to hold, okay? I think it's going to hold. So, where were we at? Where are we at, guys? Remember, if you're interested in trading Bitcoin, check out the links down below. Let me take a look at AVAX, and I'll scroll down in the comment section, but we need to take a look at AVAX, guys. AVAX is absolutely insane. I'm in a trade here on AVAX, currently about $660 in a profit. I will be adding to my position as soon as we break out, guys. Remember, down below, you got the best bonuses of Bybit, which is $3,500 worth of bonus. And on Prime XBT, you get 50% added to your deposit, which is absolutely insane. You'll be supporting the channel because I get a small commission to continue with all of this. And you get the best bonus available, guys. Only for experienced traders. Full tutorial down below in the description also on these platforms. Right, where were we? What are we going to take a look at? What are we going to take a look at? I was going to take a look at something and Polkadot. Let's take a look at Polkadot. I had someone in the comment section not long ago, was it yesterday, asking is it a good idea to short Polkadot right now? And I was thinking, are you absolutely insane? How are you going to short Polkadot? You're just breaking all-time highs. It is one of the most bullish blockchain projects out there. The total crypto market cap is looking insanely bullish. Why are you going to fight the trend? You are starting to break all-time highs. Polkadot has an insane projection going all the way up to $100 potentially in the coming months. Not a good idea to short Polkadot, that is for sure. When you're just breaking all-time highs. What happened here? Well, we did retrace to the all-time high area, which is for just below $50, as you can see there. We hit that $50, almost $50 on the 15th of May. We broke the resistance turning out beautifully in support. Okay, we do have also this massive candle. We could check out any other exchanges, but this candle here almost hitting that $50 with a huge amount of volume. Let's check out another exchange. This one also, it doesn't matter. It's on calculated by TradingView. It doesn't matter. I got people saying, I think it's one or two. You're using calculated by TradingView. It doesn't matter. The volume is there. You take a look at other exchanges. Volume is there. It's a little bit different. It's different on every exchange, okay? But the volume is similar. It is similar. But you can see here that $50 now, $85, $48 and $50 is going to be a very, very strong support. We already seen that sign of a very, very strong support. Look how we're bouncing at this range. You know, check out this candle there, this volume, this range. So starting to break out, you're starting to bounce at this level. I think this is not going to be broken. $48, very strong support. I do not see us dropping below this range. We might be forming a kind of a bull flag here or something similar. It's an ascending bull flag. Even though this is insanely bullish, we might see something like this and then a massive breakout of the resistance right there, hitting that $60 potentially. Anyway, Polkadot looking pretty bullish in the next coming months. Hey Mark, love you brother, says Bernard to Mark Dutch. Andy, you owe me an interview on my channel. Pay up, or I will have to build a raft, sail from Canada, and come get you. Yeah, Bernard, whenever you want, man. You know the deal. Telegram, DM me, and I'll get back to you. We'll do an interview on your channel for sure. That is for sure, my man. VRA, please. Let's take a look at VRA. VRA. Guys, make sure to smash up the like button. Let's try and get this stream to 500 likes. I've been struggling to get 500 likes on the stream. So if we just wait 1 second and go scroll down and smash up the like button, guys. Very much appreciated. It only takes 2 seconds, and let's continue here with the live stream, with the cryptos. What have we got here? What have we got here on VRA? VRA has absolutely been crushing it. It's been crushing it. And what we got here for VRA is a cup and handle. It already is playing out. Okay, let me go to the daily. I'm going to zoom out. Look how bullish this kind of formation is. All right, just so it looks pretty clear, guys. And this is a cup and handle right over here. I don't know why I didn't put the handle here with this descending wedge. Check out this price action, okay, where you have resistance, and you have a touch there where you break it on the third attempt. And this is what has happened right now on the total crypto market cap. It is absolutely insane, guys. Cryptos are going to go absolutely crazy. Look at this, guys. This is something what has happened right there. Cup and handle. A lot of them are forming this bullish pattern. It's going to be absolutely crazy, guys. Take advantage of this situation. No signs of this stopping anytime soon. So VRA, after all, VRA, take a look at VRA, zooming in, 4 hourly. We have this kind of bullish action right there. Okay, this consolidation, breakout. We got one target there. The target has been met. Check out this. This is a pole, right? A massive pump, consolidation. Target has been met now already here, just a couple of days ago, from this breakout, as you can see right there. But we also have a massive target here from a cup and handle. Okay, watch out for consolidation. Watch out for retracements. We have this round formation, descending wedge. It's a cup and handle, guys. Okay, so enough. We don't need to discuss any of that. we almost met the target already here from this cup and handle, but we should be hitting around about that 9 cent level. I do see us having a little bit more pumpy action before we have a strong retracement on VRA. Overall, looking very bullish. 9 cents should be reached, and then we might have a pretty harsh correction. Right. Hi Andy, how can I go to immediate short term? Go in immediate short. Hey Andy, how high can DOT go in the immediate short term? Sky is the limit. Sky is the limit for DOT, because when you break all-time high and you don't have any bullish kind of patterns, you can see a very bullish price action to the upside here on Polkadot. We do not have any, no cup and handle really. Sky's the limit. Sky's the limit here for this one. Let me just, we can take the Fibonacci retracement and check out. Okay, we'll just go from the high to the low, and we do have projected moves. When you break all-time highs, when you go from the high to the low in this year, we're starting to break all-time high. We do have a projection here on the first conservative target is $74. So expect $74 to be hit on Polkadot on this Fibonacci target in I don't know, maybe weeks, maybe a couple of months. But overall direction after breaking all-time high, guys, looking very bullish for the next coming months. Okay. Let me take a look. At the comment section. Dot might hit $150 to $200 by end of December. All depends on how much gets locked into the parachain auction. Very much true. I mean, I'm looking at the technicals here. One aggressive target would be the 2.6 here at the $112. Could we go much higher? Yes, of course, all depending on the FOMO, all depending on what Bernard here is saying on the parachain auction, how much is going to be locked in there. So overall, it's looking bullish, guys. Breaking all-time high. Expect parabolic movements here for Polkadot. ETC. Let's take a look at ETC straight away. Guys, we haven't smashed up the like button. Come on, guys. We haven't smashed up the like button. Come on, guys. Let's try and smash up to 500 likes for the stream. Right. Very choppy chart also. This one went absolutely crazy. We went all the way up to $178 in just a couple of days here. Back in May, absolutely insane. From $33, it did a 5-6x here, Ethereum Classic. Now, what I don't like of this one is that we broke here this trend to the downside, but we technically still creating higher lows. On the daily, we got low, we got higher low, we got this higher low range, and this one didn't manage to go below this higher low. So overall, it's not looking too bad. We did break the trend, but we might be getting above this trend. We should be actually on ETC. Overall, not looking too bad. We do have a technical target here of this descending wedge. The only thing is that we broke here the support, and look how it's been heavy resistance, guys. This is why the importance of connecting, support range from higher lows. We dipped below, we're not managing to get above it. Been heavy resistance. As soon as we break the $60 range, it's going to be looking very, very good here for Ethereum Classic in the immediate short term. Now let's take a look at AXS here quickly. AXS, super bullish on AXS. $170 on AXS very soon. We also have a second target here on AXS, which would be the pole here from this flag. Okay, this is a clear pennant from a massive pump consolidation. We've already breaking all-time highs. I would become very, very bullish on AXS. We got a first target at 170, which is the back of this symmetrical triangle. We did not reach the target yet, and we also have the second target here, which is the pole here from the breakout. Should be hitting the $220. Obviously, this is not going to happen anytime soon. It might happen in a week, 2 weeks, 2 months. Consolidating right now here on AXS. Overall, looking very, very bullish. This is a good buying opportunity, in my opinion. I think we won't be going below the $115. $115, very, very strong support. Already signs of bullishness here on AXS. So that's what we got. We got 2 targets here for the coming weeks, maybe months. Remember, it is there's hundreds of people coming into AXS gaming project every single week. I would even say thousands. I would say, no, let's keep it conservative with hundreds. I did see how many people were coming into AXS every single week, and the trend is just almost parabolic, guys. And this is the thing with these gaming projects, okay, play to earn. They're just going to grow and grow and grow, guys. I don't see this stopping anytime soon. So overall, thank you for the super chat. Chris, can you have a look at Polker Market and Theta? Yeah, Theta, let's take a look at Polker Market. What is the ticker symbol of Polker Market? It's Poke. Let's take a look at that. This one had a pretty decent pump today. Let's zoom out here on the daily. I've never done analysis on this. Seems like we haven't got much data. We've only got KuCoin. Seems like they listed it back in March. Overall, guys, like I mentioned, when you see this kind of sideways action, it's signing that it's bottoming out. You're starting to create a higher low. You break a major resistance right there. You break a major resistance right there, and you start becoming very, very bullish. Let's take a look at the volume. If we do retrace good buying entries for this crypto, well, let's just go here on the 4 hourly. Let's get the pump that we've had. That's going to be a great support, but the pump here on the 4 hourly started right over here from this low to the high. We've already hit the 50% levels. 62% would be ideal. $1.22 would be a great buy zone here for this crypto. Polker Markets. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is an excellent price action. What's the 89 million on market capitalization? I'll take a look at this project afterwards, at this crypto. Thank you for the super chat. It is looking pretty bullish, okay? We just had a little bit of parabolic action. Expect a retracement potentially to the $1.22 range. It should be getting a very, very heavy bounce and continue to the upside, breaking this high over here of $2 in the next coming days. Thank you for the super chat. And Andy, you're the man. I couldn't believe your Phantom 2.50 call last week, yet here we pretty much are. You are a beauty. You beauty. Thank you very much. Yeah, I mean, $2.50 was, we just touched that range. And it's just connecting the resistance and support levels, right? It's just, you know, and I think we are going to consolidate around this range at the $2.50 range, okay? $2.40, add a few cents because of the volatility, guys. Look at this wick. You could wick down below this range, but expect some consolidation here at this resistance before we continue to the upside. This is the moment you want to get bullish. Phantom, we saw this double top, so yeah, it was maybe quite obvious that we were. And also, if you take the, from the low part, of this retracement, you get the low part to the top here, Fibonacci from the low to the high. We just touched, guys. So we just touched the 62% levels, which is the $2.50. Now, we're not out of the woods yet. Expect some volatility maybe. Get ready for volatility. If you're entering any trades here, expect a little bit of volatility to the downside, okay? Not too much leverage, but expect the phantom price coming back up to the $3.45 all-time high. It is very, very likely to happen, in my opinion. The only thing is the volume. Volume's not looking good. RSI is not looking good on the daily. So, tight stop loss on this one, guys. Volume is going down, okay, while we're going up on the daily. It doesn't matter the exchange you take a look at it. Look at the RSI. There are pretty high divergence here on the RSI, on the volume, and the price action making high highs. So just be a little bit cautious. Don't bet the farm on this. Tight stop loss would be $2.30, okay? $2.30, $2.20 range. Tight stop loss. Add to your position maybe, and just take the loss if it does come down, because overall we are seeing massive bearish divergence on the daily. Just be a little bit cautious. Everything's pointing out, the trend is your friend till the end. The overall trend is still looking very, very bullish. But stay cautious on this one. I wouldn't bet the farm. If you're interested in trading though, if you are experienced in trading, Bybit, guys, is the best swing trading platform that I use. And let's take a look at AVAX, because AVAX is starting to pump pretty hard right now on, take a look at Bybit. Guys, you get the best bonus down below on Bybit, up to $3,500 worth of bonus, and you can trade with the bonus only, okay? Or depending on what you deposit, check out the link down below, follow the steps, or depending on what you deposit, you get this bonus. Prime XBT, you get 50% added to your deposit. Now let's take a look at AVAX, because AVAX is a very, very bullish project, guys. We are starting to pop out right now from here. We are going to reach all-time highs, and we're going to start breaking all-time highs. Now we've got two potential patterns here. We've got this symmetrical triangle. We got a target here around about that $100 range, just above $100. There is also a pretty nice pattern here also. Let me just take a look at another chart here for AVAX. Okay, not this one. Bitfinex. Yeah, we could take a look at this one. Let me just get this out of the way. This was just for thumbnails. Let me zoom in here, guys, because there is an inverse head and shoulder that is currently getting broken right now, the resistance. Right there. We do clearly see it. Now, we do need to close this 4-hourly candle very, very strongly, hitting that $75, $76. Close very strongly above the $72 range. Check out here how we are hitting this major resistance zone right there on AVAX. Thank you very much for the $2, Chris. Guys, resistance, resistance, resistance. This price action, that price action. We are just starting to pop out. We're going to start. AVAX is going to explode, guys. Very, very bullish on this blockchain project. They are getting built on top of massively. So, yeah, this one also can be traded on Bybit. Be careful, guys. For experienced traders, you've got the best bonus down below. Now, I want to talk about one NFT project that is coming out, okay? I've talked about this during the stream, but I do not own any NFTs, and I'm going to start earning one, and this is this one, that is for sure. The team is absolutely insane. The marketing that's going to be behind it is going to be also insane. This is the Crypto Bull Society NFT. Guys, in the description, okay, and I'm going to put the Discord, okay, so you get informed of when it's going to launch. It's at the end of November. But the marketing behind this, the best influencers, the strongest influencers, crypto influencers are going to be behind this project, okay, talking about it all the time, okay. And this is going to be launched. They're only going to be 7,777, and this might come out with being half of an Ethereum, and they might be worth, like the crypto punks in the next year or two. Now, I'm extremely bullish, guys. Make sure to check out the Discord, okay? I'll be informing you when they're going to be launched, okay? Totally legit, guys. I'm not going to talk about any scammy, okay, things. Check out the scam from the Squid Game cryptocurrency that went to zero. Absolutely insane, guys. Be careful with all of that. The Crypto Bull Society. Now, take a look at the Discord. It'll be informing you when they're coming out, or everything that you need to know about it, and also the Twitter account. Follow them on Twitter because they'll be announcing, you know, different things every single week here. Check it out, guys. I'm joining. I'm going to get 1, 2, or maybe 3 if I can of these, because the marketing behind this, these are going to be very, very famous NFT bulls. Make sure to check it out, guys. The Discord is in the comment section. Right, Army Medic says, I think you pretty much paid for a semester of my med school program with your calls this fall. Thanks, Andy, means the world. Thank you very much for the $5 super chat. You're very welcome. No crypto to take a look at. Thank you very much for the super chat, okay, Army Medic. You're very much welcome. I'm so happy I bought some sand, says Bernard. I know. I remember seeing sand at 3-4 cents last year. It was absolutely insane. And that Martini guy was talking about it every single time. And I was watching it. I was saying, I'm not going to buy any of that Metaverse Sandbox token. Crazy, guys. Crazy. Sand, please. Let's take a look at Sandbox, okay? Let's take a look at Sandbox. It's pretty much going parabolic still, guys. Pretty much going parabolic. Not much to analyze here. Not much to analyze. Just all-time high, parabolic. Be careful. All these corrections are getting bought back up again. Strongest candle, which I do not think we're going to go below, is this one right over here. Pretty simple, right? I don't see sand going below the $2. Now, if we do go down to $2, we should be consolidating there. The volume here is massive. From these candles, massive, and we got this massive candle over here. There should be a huge amount of buying pressure all the way from the $2 range. So if we do dip down, I think no one's going to sell at these levels, $2. Be careful now. All-time highs every single time here on Sandbox. Be careful, guys. Sky is the limit. We might be forming like an ascending wedge. Just be careful. Be careful. Stay safe. All right, guys, this is going to be it. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website, okay? Also, check out Natalie. She is live right now. Natalie is live, guys. So you can check her out. Check her out, guys. And also check out the Discord. No matter how many NFT videos I watch, I still can't understand them. Yet I bought 12. Army Medic, that is great. You want to wait for this NFT. It is launching by the end of November if everything works all right. If not, it might be the first, second week of December. Discord is in the description. Join because they will inform you of everything, all the steps, what is happening, who is going to advertise this NFT, the marketing, the influencers behind this NFT project is going to be absolutely insane, okay? The Crypto Bull Society, it's absolutely insane. And the designers, if you take a look at a few of them, guys, and you can just take a look right over here. If you take a look at a few of them, the designs are insane. The designers on this have really put the effort on these. And like I said, the strongest influence are going to talk about this in December. And right now, okay, they're starting to talk about it. They're going to talk about it all year round next year. Expect these ones, and we do not know the minting price. It might be half of Ethereum, 1 Ethereum, maybe 0.1 Ethereum. I do not know, but it will, in my opinion, I think they're definitely going to go up in value because the marketing behind this is going to be insane. So check it out, guys. The Discord is down below in the description. Also the Twitter account. Make sure to follow them. This is going to be one of those NFTs like CryptoPunk that are absolutely explode. And we'll be coming back to the live streams from today, from these days. That is for sure, in about a year or so. Okay, guys, check out the Bitcoinsensus website also. We've got, free information here every single day. The latest news, technical analysis, trading ideas. Okay, check the website. Totally free information. And check out Natalie because she is live right now. Natalie is live, guys. Ask her a lot of questions. What's wrong with ADA, Joseph? Oh, we didn't reach to 400 likes. No, never mind. To 500 likes, sorry. What's wrong with ADA? Is it pumping? Is it dumping? Yeah, nothing too much here with ADA. Like I mentioned, ADA will be exploding very, very soon. $1.80, $1.70, ultimate low here for ADA. If we reach there, if we do not reach there, we might go sideways and start pumping from there. $1.70, $1.80. Remember, guys, $1.70, $1.80 range for ADA, ultimate low. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Check out Natalie. She is live. The link is down below. Ask her all about the cryptos. Miss Fibonacci is live. Go and check her out. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Bernard. Thanks, Mark Dutch. I saw you. You're here. Infogram. Thanks for the support. Check out Natalie. She is live. Thank you for the amazing stream. You're very welcome, Joseph. I'll be doing a 4-hourly live stream tomorrow, I think. Let's aim for a 4-hour live stream and read a lot of the comments and check out a huge amount of cryptos. Thanks, guys, and I will see you in the next one.